Apple has released the iPhone 16e. They've brought back the ugly notch. Really? Anyways, we created mockups for them. Let's see how to customize. Go to the left toolbar, Add Item menu. Choose Mockups and Phones category. You can switch the views here. For now, all these new iPhone 16e mockups in front view. Drag and drop the item to your canvas. It will come together with the empty mockup artboard. Now import your image to the canvas and place it inside the mockup artboard. Perfect. Your design instantly rendered on the iPhone 16e screen. Let's try another one. This is entirely up to you to choose the best one for you. Drag and drop the item to the canvas. Press and hold Option or Alt key and drag the image to make a copy and place it inside the other mockup artboard. Now let's create a simple composition with another iPhone 16e mockup. Again, placing the item to the canvas and rendering the design on the screen. Now creating a new artboard by pressing A and choosing a preset size for it. Let's say you want to make a Behance post, so choosing Behance Shot. Actually, HD one is better. And placing the iPhone inside this new artboard. Zooming to the artboard and positioning the iPhone. Resizing to show the entire design. You can simply show only a part of it if you want to make a close-up scene. It is completely up to you. I want it to be perfectly centered and smaller. Now while the artboard is selected, navigating to the right sidebar Fill section, clicking on the little color box and opening the color picker. I want to pick a color from the design, so using the eyedropper tool for it. Once you are happy with the composition, you can export this design from the export menu on top of the artboard. We also created a Figma community file with these new iPhone 16e mockups. Check the description for the link. Now, opening this project in Figma. As you see, we simply placed all mockups next to each other to make the customization easier for you. Importing the same design to the Figma now. And again, placing it inside the assigned frame. In Figma, you need to place your designs only assigned frames. Selecting the frame and right-clicking. Going to Plugins menu and opening Artboard Mockups plugin. You can resize the plugin window. Now hitting the Render Selected Frame button, and my design is on the iPhone 16e screen. So simple. Additionally, you can browse all other iPhone mockups on artboard.studio website. Go Mockups page and select Device Mockups, then visit iPhone Mockups page. You will see all latest mockups here. You can also check the description below to see Figma project link and Artboard Studio website links. Bye.